In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT in PowerPoint. We'll keep this simple, clear, and practical, so you can go from a blank screen to a polished deck quickly. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint in Microsoft 365. If your version includes Copilot, you can use it directly inside PowerPoint to brainstorm content. If not, open ChatGPT in your browser. Ask it to generate the structure of your presentation. For example, try a prompt like, "Create a 5-slide PowerPoint presentation on renewable energy with slide titles and key points." Be specific about the topic, number of slides, and the level of detail you want. When ChatGPT returns the slide titles, bullet points, and any speaker notes, copy that content. Back in PowerPoint, you have two straightforward ways to build your slides. The first option is to start with a blank presentation and add slides manually. Use a title slide layout for your opener, then title and content layouts for the rest. Paste the ChatGPT-generated text into the appropriate text boxes. Keep bullets concise, aim for a few lines per slide, and adjust fonts so everything remains readable. The second option is faster if you prefer automation. Open Word and paste the content you got from ChatGPT. Apply heading 1 to each slide title and heading 2 to the bullet points beneath it. Save the Word file. Then, in PowerPoint, go to the Home tab, select New Slide, choose Slides from Outline, and pick your Word document. PowerPoint will automatically create slides using your headings. Review the slides to ensure titles and bullets landed where you expect, and tidy up any line breaks. Once your structure is in place, give it a professional look. Go to the Design tab and browse themes. Pick one that fits your topic and audience, and explore variants for color and font choices. Consistency matters, so keep styles uniform across slides. To enhance your message, add visuals and movement thoughtfully. On the Insert tab, bring in images, icons, or charts that support your points. If you need simple diagrams, Smart Art is a quick win. Then head to the Animations tab to introduce subtle emphasis. Keep effects clean to avoid distractions. Finally, save your presentation. Go to File, choose Save As, select PowerPoint Presentation, .pptx, give it a clear name, and save it in your preferred location. That's it. Content from ChatGPT, cleanly imported into PowerPoint, styled, visualized, and saved, ready to present.